Welcome back everybody to TNT's Unplanned Bunker. Captain Mayhew signing in. I had somebody tell me about a fantastic slime recipe and obviously I had to do it. So thank you Elizabeth Kane, I really appreciate for the submission and I say let's get to sliming. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to put it in my bowl. I have a 1/4 cup of warm water. I'm going to put that in. And you mix it real good until it's all dissolved. You want to get that baking soda all dissolved in the warm water. Then you take this solution and you set it off to the side. Now in your big mixing bowl, I'm going to put a whole bottle of clear glue. All right. Now I'm going to take my solution here, add it to the glue really well. As you're mixing, you start to put in just regular contact solution. Just a couple squirts, and then you mix it. You want to put enough in till the slime starts to pull away from the side of the bowl. Add some more. Alright, now we're pulling away. As I mix it with my hand, I'm going to add in just a bit more contact solution. Well, actually, that was a much better recipe, so thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. And if you guys have any videos that you guys would like to see us do, be it slime, chicken stuff, throwing stuff off the roof, cooking stuff, please leave it in the comments down below. As always, follow us on all of our social media ventures. All of the links are in the description. Thank you very much for joining us today. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Captain Mayhew, signing out.